Here's how to fix AirDrop Declined. Now, if you see a message that says something like this, it says when you go to AirDrop something, right under the name, it says declined. It doesn't say failed, it doesn't say sent. It just says that for whatever reason, it was declined. The first thing we're going to do is head into your settings here, and we're going to tap on Wi-Fi, and we're going to toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Essentially, your AirDrop uses Wi-Fi to send that file, but it also might use Bluetooth. So let's turn this off and turn that back on. Keep in mind, I'm doing this on my iPhone. If you're trying to AirDrop to, say, a MacBook or something like that, do the same steps on that computer as you're doing on your phone. After we've done that, we're going to tap on General. And then if you tap on AirDrop here, you can see at the very top, receiving off, contacts only. I would switch it to everyone for 10 minutes. This will allow everyone, every device nearby, to AirDrop for 10 minutes. And then you can see at the very bottom, use cellular data is turned on. So again, I would recommend turning that on to basically enable that for cell data. The last thing I would recommend doing in here is we'll tap on at the very top your name. We'll tap on iCloud, and then you can see private relay. If you have private relay turned on, sometimes there are issues with AirDrop that it will fail because that's essentially a VPN from your phone over to some other server somewhere. So I would recommend turning private relay off. And then the last thing I would recommend doing is, let's go all the way back out here. Tap on General, and then at the very bottom, just hit Shut Down. So shut down your phone, shut down your computer, or whatever other device you're trying to AirDrop to, and then restart both of them, and that should fix your issues. Then at that point, your phone and your computer should be seeing each other. You should be able to AirDrop to both of those without it declining or failing. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.